Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 20th, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by 5.75 points to 25.66 and a quarter per contract. So all in all, the futures are higher ahead of the opening bell. Looks like the Senate passed little legislation last night. Now, that'll have to go back to the House and be revised, but we'll see if there is a budget in place, and that gets us one step closer to tax reform. So we'll see how this all plays out. We'll see where this market goes today. Today is options expiration, but we have lots of stocks in the news. That's where we're going to focus our attention, and that's where we're going to make some money. Right off the bat, we want to take a look at General Electric. They have reported earnings, and again, the street does not like what they have said. So again, this stock closed yesterday at $23.58, now trading at $21.64. I'll have levels ready for you right when the opening bell rings. So again, try to get into the intraday stock chat room today. If you haven't done so, take a 7-day free trial. But again, get in there a little bit early because I'll have those levels ready for General Electric. We will look to play this stock today. So again, GE gapping down this morning. Nice little sell-off on the back of earnings. And again, we'll see how this plays out, but I do have a good solid level where we could get involved in General Electric for a day trade. Next up on my radar is going to be Procter & Gamble. Ticker symbol is PG. This stock right now is trading at $90 a share. Closed yesterday at $91.59. I have levels for Procter & Gamble ready as well, but I'm going to give it to you right here. It's going to be $86.75. Stock gets down to $86.75. Be all over it on the long side. That should be an excellent level for a day trade. Next up, we're going to take a look at PayPal. PYPL is a ticker symbol. Stock is gapping up nicely. Closed at $67.25. It is now trading at $71.50. This is on the back of earnings, so PayPal making a new all-time high. Again, the stock is there's nothing technically wrong here. It's just long in the tooth. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would not be buying it up here at these levels. It is too high on the chart. Next up, we want to take a look at Celgene. This is not an earnings play, but it looks like they're stopping their Crohn's disease drug. So again, they're going to stop developing their Crohn's disease drug. Stock is getting absolutely slaughtered today. Closed at $135.96. It's now trading at $125.50. Welcome to the world of biotech. We have levels ready. I have levels already done that we will get into Celgene. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial in the intraday stock chat room. We're almost at the level now. So again, we're going to be looking to get into Celgene this morning. And again, this stock is just getting absolutely annihilated this morning. So we should have a good play on the board. So let's get into Celgene at the right level. It's a bit lower from where it is now, but nonetheless, I have levels ready, and they'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Here we have KSU, which is Kansas City Southern. This is a railroad stock. Stock is gapping up nicely today. Closed at 103.78. It's still at 103.78, so no movement there. But this will be in play today. So again, keep it on the radar. They did report earnings. I'm not sure what the earnings were, but we don't even care. We just care about the reaction in the market, and that's what makes money. So again, we'll look at KSU once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Maxim Integrated. MXIM is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $52.55. That's up from a $50.09 close yesterday. So nice little pop there. When I look at this name right now, I have to think it still could have some more upside, but I would be trailing the stop loss. If you own it, try to let it run up to the $54 level. That's where it really stalls out. But in the meantime, I couldn't jump on it here. It's just too high on the chart. This stock has been rallying really throughout the month of September and October, and it's had a big move already. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look at SKX, which is Skechers, and this stock is catching a huge bid. So this is now trading at $30.75 this morning. This stock closed at $24 yesterday. So this is a big pop today on the back of earnings. Again, when this gets to around 31.5, start to become a little cautious with it. Gets to 32.5, it could be a short trade. So again, great move up on Skechers, but trail the stop loss. I would not be a buyer up here at these levels. Let's take a look at NCR. and you're going to see that this is trading down to around the 32.45 level, closed at 37.05. So this is a pretty good haircut. I have levels ready for this one as well. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. Next up, we're going to take a look at E-Trade Financial. ETFC is the ticker there. Stock right now is trading at $42.84, closed at $43.69. So a little downtick there. I'm seeing pretty good support around the 41.10 level if it does get down there today. So keep that on the radar. A little bit more support around 40. After that, you got to go all the way down to 35 bucks. So again, lots of levels out here for E-Trade. We'll look at that once the opening bell rings. All right, let's switch gears here. Let's move over to the gold market. Gold trading down by $5.10 today to $1,284.90 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good way to track gold, you'll see that's trading at 120.190, down from the 122.39 close. So again, GLD lower, gold lower. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Spot crude lower by 36 cents today, trading at $51.15. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track oil movement, you'll see that's trading at 10.27, down from the 10.35 close yesterday. So oil is down a touch, gold is down a touch, equities are all over the place. We have futures up 6 points at the moment, so should be an exciting morning. We've had a good week. Yesterday was probably the best trading day of the year. We had 5 winners in a row right off the opening bat there. So again, we'll see how this all plays out today. All right, I'm going to leave this here at this stage of the game. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Get the trade right alongside of us. I will be in the chat this morning. So again, you get the trade right with me. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.